My dear child, whenever you come to me, come with boldness and trust. I welcome you with open arms. There is no need for hesitation or doubt. Show me your faith, for it is a treasure beyond measure. Your gratitude is the most beautiful offering you can bring. This moment we share is sacred. It is a divine meeting of your heart with mine. Do not come in fear, for I will never turn you away. My love for you is eternal, unshaken, and unwavering. Your sins have been erased, washed clean by my precious blood. Nothing stands between us now. Shame has no place here, for I have removed every stain. Every burden has been lifted from your shoulders. I have chosen you. I have redeemed you. I have called you my own. Even when you wandered, even when your heart was far from me, I never stopped watching over you. My mercy reached for you in your darkest hours. My hands never let go. I pursued you with a love that never ceased. I whispered your name and offered grace, even when you felt unworthy. I saw you as precious. I longed for your return. I sent my angels to protect you. They fought unseen battles on your behalf. Every obstacle that tried to keep you from me, I removed. Every chain that sought to bind you, I shattered. You may not have seen it then, but my love was always working, guiding you back to me. You were never forgotten. You were never forsaken. Even when you felt lost, I saw the way forward. I prepared a path just for you. Even in your doubt, my faithfulness remained. I never stopped calling you closer. I longed for you to know the fullness of my presence and to rest in the depths of my peace. Tomorrow, you will come to me again. Your heart will overflow with joy. You will share testimonies of my goodness, stories of miracles long in the making. With every step of faith, you will discover more of my love. Keep your eyes open. I am moving in ways beyond your imagination. I am opening doors no one thought possible. I am making a way where there was none. Come to me with great expectation, for I am faithful, and I take delight in blessing you. My love is limitless. My plans for you are filled with hope. I am leading you into a future more beautiful than you can imagine. Walk boldly, knowing I am with you, now and forever. My hands will uphold you. My presence will strengthen you. My heart is always open to you. Never doubt my love. It is everlasting. Believe, and you will witness wonders. Nothing is impossible for me, and nothing can separate you from my love. Come to me and pour out your heart. Tell me of the changes in your life, of the beautiful moments that bring you joy, even your struggles. I cherish them, for I am the one transforming you. That is why I've drawn you near, not to leave you as you were, but to renew and restore you. You will not return to the darkness you once knew. I have called you into my marvelous light, a place of healing, freedom, and love. Listen closely. I am speaking to you now. Will you believe my words? There will be voices that try to shake your faith, that demand perfection even in their own brokenness. Do not let their judgments weigh you down. No one but my Son is perfect, and he has paid the price for you. You don't need to prove your worth. You are already loved, already chosen, already mine. I have woven you into my divine plan, and nothing can unravel it. Do not let discouragement take root, even when others close doors before you. For I am the one who opens doors that no one can shut. I lead you on a path designed uniquely for you, a path full of purpose, beauty, and hope. Here in my presence, you are cherished beyond measure. There is only one way, one open door that leads to true life. Step through it, and you will receive all I've prepared for you. A joy that never fades, a peace that surpasses all understanding, a love that never fails. With me, you will always find the embrace your soul longs for. My grace is enough for you. My strength will carry you through every trial. You are never alone. When you feel weary, I will be your rest. When burdens press down, lay them before me. I am your refuge. I hold your future, and it is good. Trust in my timing. I am always working for your good. Keep your heart open, and I will guide you in ways you never imagined. My love is unshakable. My promises are true, and I will never leave your side. Come as you are. Let me fill you with my presence. Here, you are safe. Here, you are home. Here, you are deeply and eternally loved. Whether in the brightness of morning or the stillness of night, I am always here, waiting for you with open arms. If you feel lost, if your heart is heavy, come. Even in your weakness, even in your regret, come. You are accepted. You are not defined by your past. You are defined by my love.